Today's featured car of the day is a 1958 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Holiday Coupe. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where somebody did a super restoration on this car. It had a real good look and definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure, especially with the Continental kit added to it. And it was definitely a big one with a lot of chrome, the way that we did it back in the 50s. But anyway, for 1958, that was part of the third generation of the Oldsmobile 88. Went from 57 to 58, only the 2 years. And 1958 was a totally different look than 57. And was definitely the year of the chrome, that's for sure. And this one, the Dynamic 88, debuted in 1958. And that was the entry-level model below the Super 88. And they also had the 98 model. Oh, I forgot to mention, 1958, GM was promoting their 50th year of production. So they introduced anniversary models for each of their brands: Cadillac, Buick, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Chevrolet. And also forgot to mention that this one had the underdash air conditioning in it, which is neat because a lot of cars didn't have air conditioning back in the 50s. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.